रघुपति राघव राजा राम.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms.
So hello guys, from the Bhubaneswar I have reached to Delhi. I am excited to go to now Kurukshetra. So Delhi is a very rush place. To go to New Delhi, I have from the Delhi airport, terminal number 3, that is a domestic and international flight. I have to go to the New Delhi railway station. So to go to the railway station, I have 3 ways. So way number 1 is I have to pick up the metro. Way number 2 is Ola Uber. The third is city bus. Or fourth is any rental car. So the metro is the best way that you can go to this, Delhi station. From if you are coming by a flight and you want to go to any other place, the best way to go is by the metro. So you can use your Paytm and you can scan the Paytm. You can generate a code on the Paytm and you can easily go to Delhi, New Delhi railway station. So the best way to travel in New Delhi is always metro. Always remember this metro. Delhi is a very big city. So there are thousands of people over here. The rat race is really big. Making way see this whole area. That is the shuttle bus that will be going. These are the rental cars, and that side you can pick a car by the Ola and Uber. That area. That is the Ola Uber pickup point. And this side you have to go to the Delhi metro. So always prefer to go by the Delhi metro. Wherever you go, you can use the Delhi metro. There is no need of any card. You can use your Paytm. Simple Paytm. You can make a payment by the Paytm, and you can travel any place that you like. That are the city buses. You can also use city bus. But city bus is generally traffic is very high in Delhi. So you should avoid these city buses. You always use this metro. Welcome to Delhi Airport Terminal number 3. In New Delhi, there are 3 terminals. Terminal 1, 2 and 3. So this is the terminal number 3 where it connects to all the international flights and domestic flights. It all connect here. So you can come here by your Ola, Uber. Or the best way is always the metro. As I already told you, the best is always metro. So we'll be going inside the terminal number 3. It is a very beautiful. It is Asia's one of the most dedicated flight starts from here. It is one of the best flight station of all over the Asia. It has got many prizes all over the world also. So this is the best airport of India. We'll be going inside the terminal number 3 of Delhi International Airport and seeing the whole video. This is the floor number 2. So there are normally 3 floors. In the floor number 2 you have to come.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to
3 floors in Aizay Airport. Underground is equal to metro. Ground floor is the arrival point, and the first floor is departure from the Delhi. Once you have reached to the metro, so you have to walk the stairs. You have to come to the departure point that lies in the first floor. The first floor is the departure area. This whole area you are seeing, this is the first floor. You have to use the stairs that people are coming from the underground part or ground part. They are reaching to the first floor for the departure. Now let's take a tour of this whole international airport of the New Delhi. Let's see what are the things that you will be seeing while you reach the New Delhi airport. This is the arrival point for the New Delhi airport. While inside the flight, you should very cautiously hear what the flight attendants are telling the air hostesses. They will be announcing your baggage carousel number. This is the arrival point where there are different restaurants over here. These are the baggage carousel point at the New Delhi terminal number 3 from 1 to 22. So inside the inside the flight only, you hear very cautiously your carousel point. So my bag is coming on airport carousel number 3. And now we'll be going outside to the Delhi airport and we'll be taking the metro. The metro, it's underground in the airport of this is underground. So this Delhi airport metro, it's very, very beautiful. You can see this is the metro station and I'll be going down. So I'll be taking the train to New Delhi, my railway station, where I have a train to Kurukshetra Dham. So this is the checking point. The security is very strict over here. You can get the tickets from here and you can also use the Paytm scanner. So these are the metro train. I'll be using the So while in Delhi, you always use Delhi metro. Well, it's the departure point from Delhi. Like I am going from Delhi to Bhubaneswar, so I have come to the departure point, which is in the first floor. So let's go inside by the time this floor. So these are the departure points. There is a domestic departure point, there is international departure point. So while taking a flight, you should have check-in luggages. So there will be luggage counter where there will be different air hostess. They will be checking in your packages, and you must not take more than 15 kg of check-in and a cabin luggage of 7 kg, 8 kg. Total 25 kg they are allowing. So this is inside of this entire New Delhi airport. This is the international departure check-in points where you can, if you are going to outside the India, you can also self check-in in this place. And I will be checking in inside my domestic because I am taking the flight to Bhubaneswar. So this is a domestic check-in point. So there are different counters over here. You can get the currency map. This is the beautiful elephant also in Delhi airport. So Delhi airport, it's really look really great. They are the domestic departure. I will be using this domestic departure to my Bhubaneswar. So all the people that are standing for the domestic departure, this is the departure point where they will be doing the checking. After I check in, I will be going inside this domestic departure, and there will be a very strict, severe security check. These are the security checks that is going on, and the security check is compulsory even for the air hostesses and all the crew members. So after the security check-in, you can easily go inside the flight. So now let's go to the security check-in point. Be very cautious not to take any cabin luggage with any heavy metallic objects. After checking in, I have reached to this Radar showroom. So this Radar showroom, these watches cost around 2 lakhs to 1 lakhs. This is high costly watches showroom is inside this Delhi airport. Inside the Delhi airport, you can get all types of showroom. All the popular companies, they have made their showroom over here. So you can get a dress, you can get your jewelry also. You can get any type of material that you need in this Delhi airport. It will be looking like a mall. Entire thing looks absolutely gorgeous. You will be amazed to see the entire Delhi airport that look really great with all these malls over here. It's the cafe coffee day at the ground floor, and you can take the stairs and you can reach the restaurant point that lies in the first floor. All types of costly restaurants are in this place, like MacD, etc. are in this place. The cost is little high, but all types of restaurant it is there in this Delhi airport. Car showrooms are also there in the Delhi airport. It's the most important LED for any traveler. These LEDs are everywhere, and they'll be putting the every detail, every update of the every flights that are coming. So you see the point where your flight is coming. My Air India flight is coming on 5:30. So they will be giving a terminal number like 5E. So I have to search the 5E sub terminal number and I have to go there. Otherwise it is very rush place, and there are many sub terminals like in 100. So you'll be very cautiously see your terminal number where your flight is coming. So currently I am in the prayer room. So my flight is at around 7 p.m. So I checked in here at around 4 p.m. So I have 3 more hours. So I came here. This is the prayer room, one of the best place. If your flight is delayed or something like that, you have come little early. So you can come to this prayer room and you can pray to Lord Krishna or your God. So I saw many of my Muslim brothers, they are praying to Allah over here. This is the place where my Muslim brothers have to pray. They pray here. So I also prayed here. So my flight will be at 7 p.m. So I am praying here to Lord Krishna today. I am chanting my rounds today in this prayer room inside this terminal airport number 3. Hari Bo. रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम 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 भज प्यारे तू सीताराम जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेव जय सुभद्रा जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी बाबा तुम्हें जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी बाबा तुम्हें जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम
Music's loud and I'm feeling alright. It's slow motion, but it's just you and I. Yeah, the burn makes you feel so alive. I'm living the moment till the moment tonight. We're here now, let's party together. Let's live life tonight is forever. Here now, let's party together. Let's live life tonight is forever.
हेलो आमे बर्तन जाऊँ पड़े गोपालपुर मेफेयर लगी ओडिशार सब
Let the rhythm move us, yeah, baby, take it too far. At the center of my attention, yeah, you got me so lost. I love the way that you move.